you quickly find out it's you who doesn't know what they're doing. Son of a biscuit. Son of a biscuit. All right, so I am here, or we are here at Lowe's right now. We're gonna pick up some gutters and everything that goes along with gutters. But there's one thing I did notice, that a lot of my viewers are not subscribed. So if you could do me a huge favor and just smash that subscribe button and hit that little notification bell so that every time I put out a new video, you will be alerted. So yeah, let's head on into Lowe's and get some gutters. You ready, Benny? You don't look very enthused. You ready, Benny? No, still not? Okay, let's go. All right, so we have these here, 5-inch gutter, 10-foot aluminum white, which I like the white. Then we have the brown, which I do not like, but it would match a little better and blend in. But wait, I came down here and I found these vinyl ones for half the price, which, let me show you. Sorry I'm whispering, but you know, sometimes I just want to talk to myself in Lowe's without people staring at me like I'm crazy. So I'm trying to do this very inconspicuously. Sort of downspout, but this doesn't fit. And I've been seeing, oh, maybe this is kind of a mess. Maybe this will fit. Oh, this is good, and then it has the end piece on it. Oh yeah. So now I'm assuming I'm going to need, because I have the top part, then I have the downspout, but I need to cut that and make it go at a 90-degree angle. So I'm gonna need something that's got a 90-degree curve to it, which they call these elbows. I guess that makes sense, right? Okay. This, it's not gonna work. It's this way, not this way. This I would have to put on, because I want it to go this way from the tiny out. Yeah, so I need something that's got this, but the spout going this way, if that makes sense. Like so. So this is the piece that I need. Oh, and then I'll need one more for it to swoop down into the container. So, but I want it a little bit longer than this, I think. Something more, no, that's not it. Oh dear, like this, something like this. Then I think this is coming out this way, and I can attach the long piece to this, and then this will drain down into the water tank. I think I got it all. Maybe I should probably get a couple of these things, because this vinyl is really flimsy. As you can see, it's like bending. So a couple of these will probably come in handy. So we'll get two. One of these.
West is. Let me get them for you.
You thirsty? You want a drink? Okay, hold on. All right, so we are back here at the Off Grid tiny house, and let me just show you this water tank that I have here. It's a 125-gallon water tank, and here is my makeshift rain catchment that I had put together probably about a week ago just to try and catch some of the rain and everything, which has been working pretty decent. I've got it to where you can see right now, and I've already used that much of it, taking showers and whatnot. So it's time to take this crap down and get some real gutters up. I was trying to use this to put an end cap on it, which is not meant for that. It's supposed to be in the middle of this. And so what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to cut this one, you know, just cut a little piece of it off right here, stick this in the middle of it, and then stick this piece on the outside of that. That way those end pieces will fit on this part instead of this part. Holy moly, donut shop. Okay, so now I should be able to fit this in here, or on here, like so, and then attach this piece on here, on this end, like so, I think. I don't know, it's backwards. Something doesn't look right. Yes, it is. And then now these should fit on here. So now we have this nice little rain gutter thingy, mabobber system, water catchment, rain catchment system. And then these, which I was doing wrong, of course, as well, go on like so. You tuck this under, you tuck this under there, this piece here. Well, actually, no, you know what? I gotta undo all this. I gotta undo this. Then, oops, slide all these on. Somehow, I forget, oh, go turn, oh, sorry, you're not in the frame. Turn this around. Somehow get you in there. Curl it under. Man, I'm horrible with this filming stuff. All right, oh, there we go, just like that. And then this slides down on the top, like that. Here I was trying to do it underneath here, when it's supposed to be up here. So you just push down, like so, like that, there, and that's how it goes. And it kind of keeps it from bowing in. And then what you do is you drill your hole, or you drill your screw right through there, and this goes and attaches to your tiny house. So let me go put all the rest of these on, because you have to put them on this way and slide them on down to where you want them, you know? These slide on there just perfect. Man, just when you think the manufacturers don't know what they're doing, you quickly find out it's you who doesn't know what they're doing. All right, so this is what is going to be the fun part, is trying to get this held up there by myself. Don't mind all this. This is just me being absolutely lazy. So disregard. Pretend like there's pallet slats there. Son of a biscuit. I put the spout at the wrong end. Oh my God. Here we go again. Nothing can ever be easy. I am so glad that is done. What a pain in the butt that was. I don't like getting up on ladders. About 5 years ago, I fell off a ladder 10 foot onto my ribs and broke 4 of my ribs in the bottom of my spine. Broke my ribs completely in half, snapped in half. Worst pain I probably ever felt, aside from kidney stones. Those are pretty bad too, but kidney stones will go away. Broken ribs you gotta deal with for months and months and months on end. Forget about farting, forget about sneezing, forget about coughing, laughing, pooping, any of it. Forget it, forget it. You're gonna be in pain doing it all. But anyways, let me show you what this looks like. So there you have it. And when you're putting it up, you also wanna kind of put it on a slight pitch, going down towards wherever the water is going to come out. I can't see, the sun is right in my eyeball. But anyways, yes, make sure it's at a slight pitch. So now we got to put the downspouts on. Son of a biscuit. Oh my God, you got to be kidding me. Oh my God. Oh my God. How could I screw this up so many times? Oh, I went over this and over this and over this, making sure I had all the right directions. And it's still the wrong way. Maybe I can just make it happen still. This is horrible. Nope. This is going the wrong direction. I cannot believe this. I'm not going back to Lowe's again today. That would be great, but I don't have a connector. Unbelievable. Maybe if I do 2 of these together? Oh, Jesus. Help me! What are you laughing at, ducks? Yep. Just ain't gonna do. There's my shovel. Right in front of my face. I can kind of maybe finagle this a little bit. I have to cut this. Let's take this off so I can get in here better. Nope. Nope. That'll go in that way, but then this won't connect to this. You know, this is so much more fun when we were playing this in a card game. Remember that? Oh, where are you at? Hi. Remember that card game, Waterworks, where you had to put all the cards together and the pipes together to get the water from one end to the other? Yeah, that was way more fun than this. All right, I think I might be able to make it work with what I got. I'm just gonna trim this down a little bit and reconfigure the little elbows and spouts that I got and make it work somehow, because I am not going back to Lowe's again today. Let's give this one more try. Turn it that way. Oh. Just realized another thing. It's a perfect square, so I can turn it whichever way I want to. I didn't have to do that. Oh my God. This is not a DIY, this is a DNTTAH video. Do not try this at home. That's how this is going. This is definitely not a how-to video. Not a how to do it properly. How to fuck up. That's what this one is. So maybe you guys can learn from my mistakes though. So this is the conundrum I'm having now. I should have put that spout down further because now it doesn't meet up with the tank. And there ain't no way I'm moving the tank because it's full unless I wait till I use all that water, then move it this way so it comes to about right here, and this can just fall down in here like that. Boop. Really turn it this way or this way. I don't know. I got these all fucked up. But anyways. Oh Lord. All right, so it's been a couple days later, and as you can see, got this finished here and finally got this moved up a little bit and everything is set into place. Now we just gotta do is wait for it